Hey guys, today in my kitchen we are doing a spicy and cheesy Korean classic, tteok-bokki. It is sure to warm you up in the winter, and whether you want it extra spicy or milder, I got you covered. So stay tuned, welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am cooking. You will need some rice cakes. I soaked mine for 24 hours because they're older. 1.5 cups vegetable broth, some soy sauce. For the heat I am using sriracha, but you can also use gochujang, and some honey and sugar, some delicious cheese. Can't miss out on the garlic. To sweeten things up a bit of corn. So let's begin, shall we? I am gonna start by draining my rice cakes that I have soaked overnight because mine are quite old and just needed a bit of help getting cooked. 2 or 1.5 cups of veggie broths. I am gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, sriracha to your liking, or you can use about 1.5 tablespoons of gochujang, one tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. To round all of that out, I'm just gonna add some garlic in. About 1 tablespoon as well, or about 3 cloves. Give the sauce a quick stir and we can get cooking. Simply start by placing your pot on your stovetop, and we're gonna start by bringing our sauce to a boil. While that comes to a boil, if you don't mind liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing, I really appreciate those that do. It helps my channel go so far, and thank you so much. Hey, banana! Now that this has come to a boil, I'm gonna turn my heat down a bit and add in my rice cakes. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. And I am going to cook this for 10 minutes. While this is going, you'll also want to stir it on occasion so the rice cakes don't stick together. I have, in case you're wondering, I found rice cakes that are in stick form that are classic to tteok-bokki. Just watching my cauldron bubble is very mesmerizing. And now that our rice cakes have boiled for 10 minutes, I am going to add plenty of cheese. I want this to be really cheesy, just all over the top. Spread that out a little. And also add some corn. And I am just gonna let this go for another 2 minutes, and then it'll be ready to eat. If you want a bit of color on top, you can also add some green onions or some parsley even. I would recommend green onions though. And now that 2 minutes have gone by just like that, I am gonna remove this from the heat. I am gonna let it cool for a bit, and then I'll dig in and tell you what I think. And now let's try it out. I am just gonna get a rice cake, and try and get a bit of that cheese in with it. Ooh, that cheese got really melty. Get some of that corn. That is so good. It is so good. You get that spicy kick from the sriracha or gochujang if you're using that instead. And then you kind of get that cheesy flavor with the rice cake and that nice soft chew. And then after that, you take a bit of corn whenever you feel like your mouth is too on fire, if that makes sense. And the corn just cools you right down. I highly recommend you go make this. And until next time, thank you for watching. Hey, banana. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time. Hey, banana.